The Fertiliser Management Program, through the State Government's Healthy Estuaries WA initiative, aims to engage farmers in actions to protect our waterways and improve farm productivity through industry collaboration, soil testing, workshops and field days.
The programme engages farmers with the science behind fertiliser management and enables them to make informed decisions that benefits their business and the environment. And the aim is to keep the nutrients on the farm where they're needed for plant production and food production and out of the waterways where they can cause harm. It's really important that farmers are empowered, that they've got this information, that they can make an evidence-based approach, and then using the latest science and the techniques available to them, they can apply only what their soils need, improve their farm productivity, profitability, and contribute towards the environment and keep the community happy because the waterways are nice and clean.